September is over and we're into October 2023, and that means it's time to look to see what has been happening in the coastal real estate market for September 2023. Let's take a look at days on market, inventory and sales price in those three coastal towns that we tracked: Corona del Mar, Newport Coast and Newport Beach, so we can see what the trends are telling us for the balance of the fourth quarter.
I'm Kiwi of the Coast, the agent with the most.
This is Kiwi the Coast, your luxury real estate specialist, helping you maximize and sell the value of your coastal home. Right, love doing these data updates. Let's see what the numbers are telling us. New listings first up, single family homes. Last month it was 75. Is it up or down this month? Well, it's 66. And that's expected because we're going into that holiday period, a little bit of a drop off with people putting their homes on the market. And of course, we want to track new listings because this is the lifeblood of the market. Now, before we look at the number of actual sales, let's look at the homes that are going under contract and pending. They're in that transitional phase. August was 40, and as expected, because we're getting into the holiday season, 32 for September. So a little bit of a drop off in the activity, and this is because we are still impacted by that low inventory. Now let's look at the number of actual closings. Now this is where the rubber meets the road. This is actual recorded closing of single family homes. It was 58 for August. What is it for the month of September? It's 38. That's a huge drop off of the number of actual sales. Why is that? Well, it is partly due to the buyers not being able to secure type of homes that they want, and it's also driven by there's a lack of supply, that low inventory impacting buyers' ability to find their dream home, close the deal. Days on market, 38 last month, 51 this month. Why are we tracked days on market? Why is that important? Well, that's the length of the period that it's taking for a home, once it goes on the market, to actually go under contract. And again, a big jump up this month, and that's because those homes in the higher price ranges, less attractive to buyers, have been sitting for longer. Active listings staying pretty constant, 229 for August, 232 for the month of September. So that active inventory staying pretty constant. Now, why is that? Well, homeowners selling their homes are still pretty serious, and they're leaving them on the market versus taking them off. We do have that new inventory coming on, which has been offset by the homes that are selling. So we're seeing that pretty constant over the last couple of months. Average list price last month, about 6.9 million. This month it's dropped slightly, 6.649. What does that mean? Well, in the scheme of things, not a whole lot. Just means that some of those homes that have been going off the market are in those lower price range, and it's tended to drag the market down a little bit as more inventory comes on in that lower price range. So not a lot to read from it, except there are some lower priced homes on the market. Average sales price last month, 6.4 million. Well, it's jumped. The average sales price going to a little over 7 million. So again, those buyers, remember, they're out there looking. They have to jump up to those higher price ranges when they see some of those premium homes that they really want. They're having to step up and pay those higher prices along the coast, remember. Hey, I hope you found all that information valuable. That is a wrap for September. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel so that I can keep you up to date on all the changes in the real estate inventory and market affecting you. See you on the next video. Boom.